Yeah. Before the dunes could catalog my fall, I sealed a vanished ocean in a carbon wall. No throne, just vacuum, pressure, ancient proof. 4 billion years went quiet under one black roof. Yeah. Solar nebula dust, folded heat in the trust. Tie eyes flash, refractory, older than crust. Type I chondrule, spun magnesium, rich in flame. Type 2 carried iron, 1 reservoir stayed the same. Chondrule matrix complementarity balanced the blend. Fine grained rims kept chemistry tied end to end. Accretion built a C complex body from the choir. Buried ice awakened without sunlight or fire. Aqueous alteration cross pores like coated rain. Serpentine and smectite spread through every vein. Tochelonite bounce off a constantite. Join the scheme. Calcite started counting in the water rock dream. Mud before thunder, archive before art. Hydrated in darkness, hidden furnace in the heart. Every class held a chapter, each micro crack kept proof. Microns speak the truth when whole worlds lose the roof. Pressure made a breccia. Never broke the plot. Your millennium is graffiti on my carbonate cloud. Yeah. 2 lithologies argued underneath one skin. Tight packed spheres met fractured zones within. Alteration range, Trump pervasive down to mild. An asteroid made the library, then shuffled every file. Thermal metamorphism hit 4 to 500 degrees. Phyllosilicates collapse from hydrated ease. Disordered matter dominated olivine. Recrystallized, partly melted facelifies. Organics reorganized. Short chain and alkanis rose when longer structures cracked. Volatile past left, heavier rings stayed stacked. Impact flash or radionuclide fuse. Choose your fire. The carbonate chronometer cross-examined each liar. No simple origin, no single clean refrain. Regular style wreckage, still remember strain. Contradiction is a compass when the evidence is raw. A thin section is a courtroom. And texture writes the law. Collision split the parent, ejector found a lane. Heliocentric exile cross the cold unboarded plane. Atmosphere attack with an incandescent blade. Ablation shaped the edges, fusion crust was made. I struck the western desert, scattered mass through sand. Wind abraded fragments with an unforgiving hand. No witness fall, no applause after speed. 6 kilograms of evidence answer scientific need. X-ray diffraction found a serpentine peak. Laser spots read trace elements from every street. Oxygen isotopes map the fractionation line. Petrologic subtypes prove no uniform design. From nebula ignition to laboratory light, I cross water heat collision air and night. Carbon carried memory, minerals carried scars. A palm-sized underworld explaining distant stars. Do not call me dead matter. I am process made dense. Cosmic chemistry with cadence. Isotope with intent. Read every fracture. Let the dark record expand. The universe signs quietly, then leaves truth in your hand.